Now the court has given a fresh date because of difficulties today in hearing the matter. The court has given a fresh date of 28th of January. So at that date, hopefully, this issue will be resolved. This issue will be resolved not only for 16B, but also for many changes in ODPs that they are doing on the same ground, and many other changes. Wherever they have been trying to change a particular plot, the zoning of a particular plot, that is where this petition is important.
मजगती TCP कायद्याच्या कलम 16B खाला जमनीचे झोन बदलपाच्या अर्जाचेर प्रक्रिया करूंक दिवची म्हूण सरकारान मुद्दो घालो. आदल्या अंतरीम आदेशा प्रमाण पयलीं दिल्ले अप्रुव्हलाचो फुडार ह्या केशीच्या निकालाचेर थारतलो म्हूण कोर्टान स्पश्ट केल्लें. याचिकादारांनी ताका हरकत घेतिल्ली ना.
The government has again informed the court that they will still not be granting any final approvals, but they have said that they will continue with the process of considering proposals. When your town planning is looking at an individual zone, it means that it is looking at the interests of a private party who wants a change made in his own interest. It doesn't mean that the change has got any public interest, because whatever public interest is there has been done at the time of preparation of regional plan or ODP, when the planning was done on the basis of public interest. So only implication is that government really has got no work to do.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.